Want to set cool videos like these as wallpapers on your Mac? In this video, I'll show you how to do it without installing any third-party apps. It takes a few extra steps, but once it's set up, your custom video will play on the lock screen when you wake your Mac. Let's get started. First, open System Settings, go to Wallpaper and download any of the built-in animated wallpapers. Once the download finishes, the required folders and files will be created. After the wallpaper has downloaded, temporarily apply it. Now, leave the wallpaper setting window open. This part is important because we'll need the wallpaper process to stay active. Next, open Activity Monitor and search for the wallpaper process. Find the process named Arial extension and double-click it. Go to Files and Ports tab, scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find the file path starting with user for the currently active wallpaper. Copy that path. Return to Finder, click Go to Folder, paste the path you just copied and press Enter. Here, you'll see multiple folders. Open the Videos folder with this. You'll now be inside the folder that contains the video file for your current wallpaper, as you can see here. Open another Finder window and locate the video you want to use as your live wallpaper. You can download it from YouTube or anywhere else. Just make sure it's in the MOV format. Before copying it over, rename your video so that it has exactly the same file name as the original video wallpaper. This is the trick that makes macOS load your custom video instead of Apple's. Once it's renamed, replace the original video in the wallpaper folder with your own file. Now go back to the Activity Monitor, select the wallpaper process, click Quit, and then choose Force Quit when prompted. macOS will immediately restart the wallpaper service. Instantly, a snapshot of your custom video should appear as your desktop wallpaper. Now, simply lock your Mac or close and reopen the lid. Your custom video should play on the lock screen before transitioning to your desktop, just like Apple's built-in animated wallpapers. And that's it. You now have a fully customizable live wallpaper on your Mac without using any additional software. However, it only works once. Yes, it's a pain to set up and the live video plays on the lock screen, and once you open your Mac, it's either a static frame or a black screen. To make it work again, you'll need to restart your Mac, and even then it's a hit and miss. So the only way to get live wallpapers on your Mac is through a live wallpaper app, and they cost money. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Mac tips and tutorials.